Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. You're welcome. Please do watch this video to the end. I saw the video and I thought it wise to bring it before you. I don't know what you think about the video. Please just watch and leave your comments on the comment section. Opinions are all allowed on the comment section, but please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on your post notification and share the video, of course, for us to be one family. I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
It does not matter the differences my state had with Nnamdi Kanu. No matter the what we believe, that the rule of law must be followed, due process must be followed for his prosecution. It must. And also, to allay the fears of Nigerians that, look, we're not doing this, we're not prosecuting because he comes from a particular section. There are bandits. You must also make provision to say, all these people who have been causing security crisis in Nigeria are also prosecuted. Let us not make a hula baloo about the prosecution of Nnamdi Kanu. I don't believe in his principle. I've come out and I've said it. You cannot annex my state to be your own, but that does not mean that you will not allow the law to take its course. The same way you have arrested Nnamdi Kanu should also be the same way all others whom you have known and should be also be brought to book to face the wrath of the law. You cannot discriminate. You cannot say, because Nnamdi Kanu is from a particular area, let us do this. Everything, the same thing must be applied to all other people, the bandits, the Mayat Allah. You have to also apply the same principle. That is my take on it.
Again and again, you bleed the same blood. Those people bleed. Yes. I keep on reminding you, yes, that when you look at things, you see how to go about it. When it was your time, you campaign, you say Brexit, it's time to go. Even though you come back and say it's a mistake, but you pacify and it went through. Why? Because everything is made and is going in the way it's planned. Why not check those things you've instituted down there, they are going according to plan or not? But you answer our colonial masters. All our resources is brought up here. You enjoy it and relaxing. And we are now crying, every year crying, every year crying. You have the joy in killing the people, masterminding it, and sending weapons of war, your fighter jet from your allies and direct. We know it. We know. It doesn't matter how long you deny. We know what you can do. We know what you've been doing. We use the past to know the present. Don't think we are just here crying and crying. A time comes, it will go to the higher level. And when it goes, everybody will be feeling it. Never mind. We are crying and talking and pleading and calling and say, wake up and do something. Get something doing, and now. Biafra nation now. Oduduwa nation now. Biafra nation now. Oduduwa nation now. Nnamdi Kanu has been a man trying to pass the message the best he could, and without violence. You allow him sitting, relaxing. Now it has gotten to another level. Now you have to propose everything. A humble judge from the Britain said, we will protect Nnamdi. We say, okay, judge, thank you. Unknowing that you are still planning, and when you are hatched, you move him up and whisper to the people that take him away. You think we don't know. We know it. We know. Get up and do what you're supposed to do now. Get up and do that which you're supposed to do now. Time may not be on your side all the time. Just time it will expire. Remember, the way you see the Biafrans in 67 to 70 is not the way you see them today. And we are going up. The war starting in your street any moment. Keep on it. But my best advice to you is to get up and do the needful. But if you continue sitting, sitting on wickedness and this fire watch, one day it will start taking place. Because we don't like it. We've been crying. People are dying. We don't know how long. or how much you want to be killed before you do it. Well, when it keep on going like that, the day comes it will expire. And we are here telling you, if God didn't allow us to finish 1970, we cannot finish. And if that is the case, wherever we are in the whole world, we'll be fighting. Take it or leave it. This is our world. Thank you very much. Nnamdi Kanu is still waiting for your humble pursuit to get him out there. We know that it takes a phone call. How he entered, you knows. We don't know. Get him out for him to continue what he has. And when it's too late, it will take a different gear. Don't worry, we will never sit docile anymore. We don't want to be crying, writing letters. United Nations, you are there. OAU, mastermind, and others. We are not threatening you anyway, but we are saying we are tired of crying. There's a way you beat a kid. Oh, of course, here they don't beat kids. There's a way you push somebody, or somebody you see him, you are stronger than. One day he musters strength and push back. Push back is only thing that you are calling for. We don't want anything. We don't want those trade. We don't want the war, even though the Janjaweed army and the government are being supplied weapons. We know this is, and we know it's being moved from a Western world. But since we say, wake up, that you are the colonial masters, you are the Nigerian colonial masters. Since then till now, they are still wallowing into the problem you created and left for them. We are saying we want to go back to how you met us. Please, before we want to go back. What you've concocted is not favoring us. We are saying it again and again and again. Give us, therefore, give us our freedom. We need it and now. We need it and now. Biafra now. Oduduwa now. Biafra now. Oduduwa now. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We're here to propagate the gospel of wisdom, and that wisdom is about the suffocation of the people of Biafra. The people of Biafra have been suffering for ages. We've been killed, we've been maimed, we've been raped, our heads chopped off, women, pregnant women, women that are pregnant, their body cut into pieces, and their unborn kids removed from their fetus and smashed on the wall, smashed against the wall. And we are here to say we cannot take anymore. And the British people, the good British people, as we know you all, we know that you are accommodating. We know that you are good people. Please, we are here to ask you to start asking your government, what are you doing about these people of Biafra?